Hi! Do you have any rubber stamps with labels that just don't cling as well as you'd like to their acrylic blocks? Well, I've got good news, because today I'm going to show you how to use the Stampin' Up! Cling Adhesive for a great hold. If you have small stamps, like the itty bitty greetings, it seems to be extra challenging to have a label that doesn't cling well. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 19 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. So for the Stampin' Up! People, well, we had what were called clear mount stamps, and that's what my itty bitty greetings is. But I'm going to show you how to turn that into a cling stamp for that great hold. The first unmounted stamp sets that Stampin' Up! Carried were the clear mount stamp sets, and so you still got their high quality red rubber and foam, and then a label so you knew what it was. We were thrilled to have these. There was just one little challenge, and I had some tips to help them cling better, but they didn't cling as well as we liked. They could come off too easily, and especially the small ones, I guess, 'cause there's not as much surface. And so then Stampin' Up! Came out with their cling stamp set. So still that high quality red rubber and foam, but now with a label that clings like crazy. Let me show you. I mean, it just really clings. It's not coming off till you take it off, even when you clean it on this Stampin' Scrub. All right, so thankfully, because we have a lot of clear mount stamp sets still that we want to use, but we're loving the cling, they came out with their cling adhesive sheets so we can make our own. So let's see. The instructions tell you to peel back the backing, as many as you need for the size of the stamp, and then we're going to take it and put it label side down. Okay. So we're going to put the label, because we're going to put this label right on top of that one, and press so the label sticks to it, and then peel it up. Okay, so in the picture it showed that the label would come up with the stamp. That's not my experience. I mean, it's coming up and I can see that they're separated, but for me, they're not coming apart. I need to take my paper snips and trim it off, but that's okay. So I'll just trim. And then I trim off the excess. And again with my paper snips. So if I do it rubber side up, I can see easily what needs to be trimmed off, and I can follow the stamp easier than doing it from the other side. All right, almost done. You are going to be so pleased with this for any of your stamps that aren't clinging like you wish they would. So now, let's try that again. It's sticking to me. But that's good, we're so happy. And now it's going to cling. It's not falling off easily. Isn't that wonderful? So now you can turn all of those stamps that aren't clinging like you'd like into stamps that have a great hold. Now you know how to turn all your stamps with labels that don't cling as well as you'd like into stamps with a great hold using the cling adhesive. And if you enjoyed this video with my stamping tip and would like more, well, I invite you to subscribe to the Stampers Insider. It's your free stamping source for inspiration, information, and ideas. Just go now to www.thestampersinsider.com to subscribe. I'm Shelley Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.